Alright, what is going on, everyone? Welcome back to yet another video. And today I'm going to show you guys why you need this camera in your life. So this is the GoPro Max. This is the 360, angles you guys see me get on the videos, and this is attached to a selfie stick with my ball head for my camera mounts, and this is a car suction mount. So this is a heavy duty. This is not coming off. This is how I get all of those 360 angles and everything. This extends all the way out. It's a really cool setup. So I'll give you guys some more rolling around videos of it, and let me know if you guys like this style of video. So I just have the 360 camera just hanging off the rear of the car. It's on that ball joint. It is not going anywhere, but it will bounce around. But that's why it has stabilization. Yeah, now it is bouncing around a little too much, so I'm gonna have to pull over to the side here and sit it on the actual spoiler. So the GoPro itself has a ton of features on it that really allows for some unique shots. If it's just me, but whenever I hear like bad parts on other people's car, I think that it's mine and I get all scared and paranoid. Oh, look, a little FRS. Got the big rocket bunny wing on there too. That's funny. Looking like 109. So, and the B Woody heat exchanger and like expansion tank or the ice tank has been doing like a great job because of the fact that it's 91 degrees outside and it's only 109 on my intercooler temps, and I've been dogging this car. Like in Texas, it just gets like straight hot all the time for no reason. But I mean, that's Texas, so can't really do too much complaining. As far as with the GoPro Max, this is a camera that you didn't know you needed. So as you guys can see from all of the video and the footage and everything else that I got with this so far, past few months with it have been awesome, and this is something that I can really recommend to everyone if they're looking for a similar, you know, kind of camera setup, or to get those kind of, you know, different angles and perspectives, because I know a lot of people want to see everything that's going on around, and certain cameras, like just having this front mounting GoPro or front mounting camera, you can't really capture all that, and you'll need multiple GoPros to, you know, get the same camera angle as what this does. I picked mine up for a really good deal, brand new, and they're relatively easy to find. They get the job done. The audio that comes out of them is awesome. That was unedited audio from the car that you guys heard right there, and no wind muffler or anything like that. The camera itself has really good, you know, cool features where you can sit there and actually take your phone after you record the video and go right through and like actually act like you're filming, you know, whatever is going on. So with the car drifting around, that was all recorded on the 360, but then after that I went into the app and just changed the viewing angle of everything that's going on. So you can go into the app and change the viewing angle of what it is you're trying to see, turn it 360, turn my phone horizontally, and it'll still be able to change the configuration. Now what I think is really awesome is that I can go here, go into this thing called over capture, and it will allow me to act as if I am the one there filming. So you can still position it to where you need it to be at, but if I press record here, act like I'm looking around, or capture the whole car in the video, end it, and as you can see, it'll play back that same motion that I just had while capturing the video. And the app is really straightforward. You can sit here and record something and just go right into it right after. The Bluetooth capabilities is awesome, and etc. And you can capture everything that it is you're, you know, trying to get in the video, and capture it all in 5K. At least that's what it claims. So that's just my, you know, real honest opinion on it. It's a great camera. I would recommend it to everyone, especially people that go out and race cars, so that they can capture everything and not miss an angle. There's no questions on who wins, who loses, and you'll get to see everything and everyone. So that's my, you know, real just take on that. And I just want to say something. I know not everybody, you know, cares for the HELLCAT. That's perfectly fine. It's gonna be a while before I can get another car to work on, just being real with y'all, because I've said it multiple times, but I am in school. I do work full time, and I also try to do the videos and stuff like that. I'm not like some rich, you know, YouTube person or whatever. I work hard for what it is that I want and that I have, and right now I have the HELLCAT. So with the HELLCAT, I'm gonna do my best to push that thing to 1,000 horsepower. I have a lot of the parts already to do that. We have the heat exchanger, we have the lower pulley, we have the intake, I have ID injectors, we have a Metco 275 upper pulley that we'll be using. You guys have seen me with this a few times, the 1 ethanol, pure E85, rated up to 117 octane, and that's what we're gonna be using to tune the car. And we're also gonna be installing some different coil packs and, you know, plugs, everything in between, getting the car tuned here soon, and, you know, just going out there to have a lot of fun and be really competitive with the car. So that's just the realm that I'm in right now. You know, if you dig that kind of stuff, you know, please consider sticking around. If you don't, you're gonna have to wait until I get in a better position to bring something else onto the channel. But for everybody that's been sticking around and watching the videos, and actually, you know, day one supporters, being there no matter what, I really appreciate it. And I'm gonna do my best to keep on banging out awesome content for everybody and filming a lot more of the stuff that I like and that I enjoy. So if you guys want to stick around for the build and keep on watching the videos, I would appreciate it if you guys would hit that subscribe button, like the video, and comment down below, and I'll catch you guys on the next upload.